Hello and good day everyone out there in Urbistondo. Here I am, your kabalian, Berlinda Frias, at your service, your comadre Lynn or Linda. Bumabati sa inyong lahat, nangungumusta at sana kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan lahat at masaya sa selebrasyon yan. At gusto ko ring batiin ang ating celebrant or celebrator, Don Felix, the handsome and meek, poging-pogi, humble, my compadre and son. Here I am to greet you on your birthday. I wish you the most blessed and happiest 70th birthday celebration. And I wish you all the best. Best of luck, best of health, best of happiness, and best of all that you want in your life. Now, it's time for me to depart, to leave. It's quite long, so bye-bye everyone. I love you all with the love of the Lord. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yours truly, Berlinda. Linda. Thank you.